For letter C, we count the tick marks and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. So that means that the $24 is being distributed by 5. So I'm going to take 24 and divide that by 5 to find out how much they're counting by. I put my 0 in at the end of the 24 because that's after the ones place. 5 divides 24 4 times. And I have 4 left over. I can annex a 0 and bring it down. 5 divides 40 8 times. And my decimal is terminated. Because I'm dealing with money, I don't have 4.8 cents. We would say at $4.80. So I know that each tick mark is $4.80. I know that for the first part I have 3 tick marks. So $4.80 times 3 will give me that amount. And I have 2 decimals in the number that I'm multiplying, so I move it over 2 to the left. My total is going to be $14.40. I can use subtraction to calculate the leftover amount, or I could use multiplication. Either way would work fine. I could take $4.80 times 2 to find this amount, or I could take $24 minus $14.40. Either one is going to give me the same answer. In this case, my answer is $9.60 for both of these. The last thing I need to do is I need to find out the percentages. So when I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tick marks, and so 100 divided by 5 gives me 20. If I count by 20s, I have 20, 40, 60. So my first amount is 60%. 60% of 24 is $14.40. That sounds reasonable. Left over, I have 40 more percent because 60 plus 40 gives me 100%. Or if I counted by 20s, I would start at the starting point, 20, 40. Either way, I get the same answer. When I'm filling the information out to the right, I need to think a percent of 24 gives me, or equals, they're letting me choose. So I'm just going to put in the 60%. 60% of 24, we know that that equals $14.40. They're letting me choose for the second one also. So I'm going to write in 40% of 24 gives me $9.60. We have to make another statement. So I'm going to use 100%. 100% of 24 is 24. And that is how you would solve letter C.